Hello, this is Wes Docknell with EcoSense Lighting, and today I'm going to be showing how to use our Kast dimmer demo kit. So first up, we just unlatch these two latches here on the front, swing it open. Inside you'll see we have a power cord, and we also provided an adjustable bungee cord so you can strap it to the top of your other luggage. Alright, just unravel the power cord. You'll notice this does have a US 120 volt plug. There is also a 230 volt kit. These kits are voltage dedicated. So I'm showing you here is the 120 volt. You notice the 120 volt ELV dimmer. On the 230 volt kit, it's a dimmer that looks similar to this. That's an ELV 230 volt kit. Same plug though, so you just need your adapters for different countries you're in. So make sure you have the 120 volt kit for US market, 230 volt kit for the rest of the world. But on the other end, you're going to have what looks like an old computer power cable jack that just plugs into a little port inside this little pocket here. There's also an off-on power switch that provides power to the kit. Make sure you're on the one is pushed in. That one means on. And then I'm going to plug in my kit here. Okay. You can tell you have power. You will see the DALI dimmer has some illumination. The ELV dimmer has some lights as well. Okay, so let's get into it. Right now I have an L45 Trove connector to a leader cable, and in the kit are other Trove L45, L60 connectors. So what I'm going to do here is make sure all my dimmers are ready to go before I start this demo. Now the two analog dimmers, this is 0 to 10 and ELV. The best way to get these to work well is to make sure they're in the off and low dim positions, okay? DMX, make sure your DMX controller is on. You can tell it's on because the blue light by the off-on switch will be off and the zones will be illuminated. Make sure all 4 zones are on. Really, we're just working with zone 1, but it just makes it cleaner if they're all on. And DALI, you don't have to worry about doing anything. The way I like to run this demo is just starting from the bottom and working my way up. So ELV, I'm off. I'm just simply going to plug in. Okay, and the best way to get ELV to detect is to start by just dimming up. Don't just hit the power on, dim up. Okay, once you're dimming up and you notice the fixture's dimming well, the fixture is in ELV mode. From that point, you can do your typical dim up, dim down. This Cassetta Lutron dimmer here also has a favorite button. So if you want to show low end dimming, get it to the point you like it. Hold the button for about 6 seconds. You'll notice all the lights will start flashing fast. And that means it saved it. So now I can go from maximum down to min, all with just a couple clicks, okay? Now I'm going to go to DALI. Let's get to wait a few seconds before transitioning and make sure all the capacitors and the fixtures de-energize. I click into DALI. DALI has this particular mode where it blinks to sense DALI. You just notice the fixture blink. Once I'm in the DALI mode, I can just turn my DALI dimmer. I can push it to off and on. And now I'm in DALI. For DMX, I'm just going to move up. Okay, DMX, now we are using an RGBW color wheel here. Now this fixture is obviously just a single channel static white, with channel 1 being the primary control channel, which in RGBW world is the red channel. So you can see red goes full bright. So the way I use this is I just go around the color wheel to show it that the DMX is controlling it. When we do offer Trove with RGBW or other dynamic systems, this same controller will then do colors and all that. So this kit is future-proofing the future launches, okay? So from DMX, I'm going to go to dual 0 to 10. We did dual as well for when we have dynamic whites or other systems that want to have 2 levels of control. We're prepared for that. But in this case, only one of these dimmers is really going to control dimming. They're both wired to power, so turning one on will turn on the fixture. But the wiring of this wasn't specific, so if this one might be doing dimming, I can see that it's not. Or this one might be doing dimming. So now I'm pushing my slider, it's working. Note that I did start from the bottom, so it easily detected 0 to 10. So that's the best way to walk through the demo in a perfect situation. If you do run into mix-ups, it's usually going to be because you had your dimmers at full blast, specifically 0 to 10 at ELV. DALI and DMX, you don't have to worry about it. They're pretty much bulletproof. But I'm going to go here from 0 to 10. My ELV dimmer is all the way on. Okay, my fixture powered up. I think I'm okay, but I'm going to my favorite. Oh, it's freaking out. What's going on? It's because it's still in 0 to 10 volt, and now it's just getting lower phase cut signals. It doesn't know what to do. Simple enough. Best thing to do is either turn it off. The Lutron dimmer actually has a power kill as well. So if things aren't working and you can't figure it out, you just stick your finger and lift this thing up, push it back down, and it kills power to the dimmer, not just the fixture. Okay, now that I'm off, if I just dim up, you can see, boom. Now I'm in ELV mode. I can go up and down as I choose. and I'm in ELV mode, okay? Same thing with 0 to 10. With my dimmer all the way up, my power on, if I come over here, my fixture lights up okay. Seems like it's okay. Oh, but my slider's not working. What's going on? It's because you power it up with the dimmer full blast. This one's even easier. Slide it down, hit it off, off. Remember, both of these will supply power, so if one's not working, just turn them both off. And now I'm going to make sure my slider's all the way down, power up, and boom. It just detected 0 to 10, and now I'm working 0 to 10, okay? And that concludes this demonstration of how to use the Kast Dimmer Demo Kit. Thank you.